Welcome back to our channel Traveling. We are Shivi and Saket, and today is day 10 of the final leg of our epic Norway road trip. After driving through some of the most surreal landscapes, from dramatic fjords to magical northern lights, it's time to head back to Oslo. We'll be stopping at some scenic spots and soaking in views of this beautiful country. So buckle up and join us as we wrap up 10 unforgettable days on the road in Norway. And if you have been loving this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite day in the comments below. Hi, good morning, guys. So, this is our second last day on this trip where we did Oslo to Nordkapp, and now we are going back to Oslo. And yes, right now we are in Mosjoen in our apartment which we rented yesterday. And you won't believe, guys, that what we saw yesterday night, it was amazing. And we did go outside to watch it like in the dark, but when we came back we saw outside like it was beautiful, it was awesome. But when we came back to our apartment, something magical happened. Like from our window, it was like a blast in the sky, so we were able to see everything so clearly just from our window. So we were just lying in our bed and we were just watching the lights around till around, I think around 3 a.m. in the morning. And that's why we got really late today, because we couldn't sleep last night. We were just enjoying the Northern Lights show that was happening right outside the window. So yeah, we are really late today, so I hope that we get to some place where we want to go. But yes, we'll start our trip soon. First we'll go to Mosjoen streets. Like, I just wanted to explore the town, so we'll be going there, and then we'll start our downward journey towards south of Norway, maybe Trondheim or Oslo, or the plan was to stay in Røros. So let's see if we can get to Røros today. So we'll stay there. We have not booked anything yet, but we'll search on the way, and if we find something good, we'll stay there. But this place, I highly recommend to stay in this place because the windows are quite nice, and the probability of seeing northern lights from here is quite high, because we literally saw it and it was the best. Like till now, whatever we have seen here, like it was really good. So yes, if you are coming to Mosjoen, or if you are coming to Norway, and if you need the link for this place, do tell us in the comment below, and we're going to share you the link of this place, because it's really awesome apartment, like with all the amenities, and it's budget friendly, and the location is really nice because you get to see northern lights, and it's very close to center also, so you can just go and enjoy the centrum as well. So yeah, so now the plan is that we just had our breakfast, and we also prepared our lunch, though we were getting late, but still we prepared food because it's Sunday today, and in Norway you won't get anything on Sunday. Maybe some joints will be open, but yeah, vegetarian food is still a problem, so we prefer to carry something with us. So yeah, we prepared our food, and now we are going to head out. So yes, we are gonna keep showing you where we go along this road trip. But yeah, I hope so far you have enjoyed whatever places we have shown you, and so far you might have included some of those in your itinerary as well. So yes, see you soon on some beautiful spot. So guys, here we have stopped on our first stop for today, which is like Sjøgata in Mosjoen, and we came to this secluded place from where we can see the whole view of mountains and the colorful houses just behind me. So yes, the street is really nice. There are a lot of cute little cafes which we could have explored, but we don't have much time, and plus some of the cafes are still closed because it's morning. But yes, the shops and cafes are very cute over here, and yes, we are gonna explore for a bit. We just want to see a little bit more of this town, Mosjoen, and then we'll continue our road trip, and we'll show you around. So yeah, keep following. We are on a charging spot here, and I don't know if you recognize this place. This is the same place where we stopped on day 2 for charging our car, and now just look at it. Like, we are not believing it, because on that time this lake was completely frozen. There was snow all around, and this was also covered with snow, but now all the snow is melted over here and the lake is like completely water, no snow. So yes, we were surprised that within 10 days this lake just got frozen to normal lake. So yeah, that's what happens in Norway. Like the sun is shining and the weather is getting better, so the summer is also coming, and that's why now the frozen lakes are turning into normal lakes. So yes, this is what we witnessed. So we thought maybe we should show you guys, because this was like a little surprising, because we were like, oh, how many days has happened that this lake just transformed. But yeah, as you can see, the sun is shining bright today. It's like a nice weather and we are driving back home. So yes, we'll continue our journey and we'll keep showing you places if we come across any new place, or if we come across any beautiful spot. But yeah, keep following guys. So now we have stopped at one of the beautiful rest places where we are gonna have our lunch. So this is the first time that we are getting so much sun and like a sunny weather to have our lunch. Otherwise, during the whole trip we have done our lunch in our car itself. So that's why we didn't get a time to show you guys where we are having our lunch. But today it looks like summer is here. So it's already 10 degrees and the weather is really great. So to have a lunch outside, so like for the first time in this trip we are having our lunch outside our car. So yes, join us for lunch guys. So yes, right now we are on one of the charging station. We are charging our car. So we reached Trondheim earlier than we thought we would. So we decided to directly drive to Oslo back, because then we get a full day tomorrow to get some rest. And yes, the drive is a bit longer, but yes, we thought we can make it tonight itself. And we stopped at few locations. We watched some waterfalls along the way, which we are going to show you in this video. But yes, that's the wrap for our 10 days long Oslo to Nordkapp trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. Whatever locations we showed you or wherever we go, we have shown in this series. So I hope you guys get a good idea of what all places you can visit while doing Oslo to Nordkapp. And it was a fun trip. It was like lot of places that we didn't expect it, and like within 10 days we saw a lot of changes. Like when we were going from this route, all the lakes were frozen and there were a lot of snow. But when we are returning on our way back, we found that greenery is coming back and snow is gone, lakes are normal. So yeah, it's like a full circle. But yes, we did enjoy a lot. And now we're gonna end this trip, and we're gonna tell you guys that if you guys want to know any more details about the whole trip, you want to know itinerary, or you want to know how did we go, or what all things we did, or where did we stay, if you want links to any of the accommodations, feel free to comment down below so that we can answer all your queries. And yes, if you are coming to Norway, do let us know. We're gonna be very excited to meet you guys or help you guys in any way. If you need any help from us in planning anything or knowing about how to roam around Norway, so you can just hit us up. And yeah, thank you for following our journey, and thank you so much for seeing the whole trip along with us. So yeah, keep following, and then when we are gonna show you our next trip, so that will be super soon. So yes, follow along. And yeah, please comment down below and share and subscribe our channel, so that we keep making this content, or it will help us a lot in future. So please do subscribe our channel, and that would be really helpful, so that we can show you more places in Norway and in Europe and anywhere else wherever we go. So yeah, bye. And that's a wrap on our 10-day road trip across one of the most breathtaking countries in the world, Norway. From chasing the northern lights and driving through dramatic fjords and national tourist routes to experiencing peaceful villages and snowy peaks, this journey gave us everything we had dreamed of and so much more. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. We'll see you at the next destination. But until then, let us know in the comments which day of the Norway trip was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more epic road trips around the world. See you on the road.